Hello guys, welcome back to our channel for yet another exciting video. Today we made a list of the best products based on their durability, value for money, overall performance and many others. As always, check on the description below to see the product links and get to know more about them.
When the cost, maintenance, and even the possibility of installing a real fireplace has you down, there are other avenues you can take. Electric fireplaces offer the same benefits as a standard fireplace with a bonus. It provides low maintenance, eliminates real flame, low cost, energy efficient, longevity, safe, easy installation, and more.
Before we look into the next option, tell us what's your favourite model and the reason why you love it in the comment section below.
This infrared quartz heat helps to maintain the air's natural humidity and renders comfortable heating that doesn't dry out the room's atmosphere. It features a durable metal body construction with side viewing windows and an operable beveled glass door, and its patent-pending 3D flame effect technology offers a layered flame effect to create a fire experience with 5 adjustable brightness settings. Plus, its same effect with glowing log and ember bed can be operated with or without heat for providing the ambiance of a gentle rolling fire all year long. It is also easy to assemble and can be worked with the control panel on the unit or with the included remote.
Now, if durability is your primary concern, then the next product would be an ideal choice for you.
This Pureflame Western electric fireplace insert comes with an energy-saving LED and delivers beautiful and classic fire with slim remote control. Its realistic 4 steps flame effect with variable intensity and brightness can be used with or without heat, and its downlight design helps in increasing the brightness of the hearth. Plus, its heat and manual control panels are subtly hidden by the specially designed grille for rendering a simple and elegant look. And its front glass is safe to touch anytime, as it will never get hot when the heater is running. Moreover, its quiet fence air outlet provides a 750 by 1500 watt fan heater for rooms up to 400 square feet, and its electronic temperature control allows a more precise temperature for added comfort.
Moving forward, we have a great option that gives you excellent value for money.
This TV stand from Ameriwood comes with a simple design with flair and provides a 23-inch metal electric fireplace insert to keep your room warm for a perfect ambiance for the evening. It features a remote control, 4 touch panel settings, and exclusive RWflame built-in reflectors for a realistic flame effect on the logs. And its white and medium brown laminated particle board and MDF pair perfectly with the silver handles and tempered clear glass. Doors render an artistic look. Plus, it has a capacity to hold up to a 60-inch flat panel TV up to 95 pounds. As well, the firebox insert can heat up to a 400 square foot room for an enhanced experience. And its Carver fireplace and TV stand have both open and closed storage shelves to keep your entertainment components organized. Its every shelf comes equipped with a wire management cutout and helps to keep your cords neat and tidy.
If you're looking for a mid-range model, then this next pick is a great option.
This 36-inch fireplace from RWflame is easily installed and makes it ideal for all kinds of occasions, like home, office, or anywhere heat and ambiance is needed. Its 750 watt and 1500 watt modes can be adjusted accordingly for both warm and energy saving purposes. And its supplemental zone can be heated for up to 400 square feet. Plus, it also features an auto heat kill safety to avoid superheating. Its infrared heat helps in maintaining the natural humidity within the air without making the room too dry. Furthermore, its additional features include a touchscreen, remote control, 12 flame and LED flame bed color modes with 5 flame speed modes and 5 flame brightness levels, and more.
Here comes another model that managed to climb up this list. Let's see how it got here.
This classic 48-inch traditional white oak corner fireplace TV stand with an electronic fireplace features a corner design and makes it a perfect space-saving unit for creating a warm, entertaining space in your home. Its console is crafted from high-grade MDF with a durable laminate finish for accommodating TV of up to 55 inches, and its shelving behind two tempered glass doors with an open shelf can fit your media components and accessories. At the same time, its cable management system maintains a tidy space. Plus, it includes an electric fireplace that can heat up to 400 square feet, and its fireplace display and heat can be turned on individually for an enhanced experience.
Coming up next, we have a versatile model for you. Let's see more into it.
This RWflame portable electric log set heater is a sturdily built one-piece unit designed to be placed inside an existing fireplace and provides flickering fire flame effects and supplemental heat to your room. It features a rolling pulsating flame effect that works with or without heat and allows additional zone heating up to 400 square feet. Its LED lights within the plastic logs can generate the glowing ember effects, and its ember bed undulation control gives you the option to change this to a steady light or pulsing. Plus, its infrared heat helps you create a healthier home environment as its gentle heat maintains natural humidity without drying out the air. And its log insert comes by a remote control with an on-off function and controls the heat, flame effects, and intensity.
If you've watched this far, I'm sure you'll love this channel. So hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.